Ibukwe reacts after Senator Abaribe said that there are over 30 separatist groups in Southeast. Joe Ibukwe took to his Facebook account yesterday to react to news concerning Senator Abaribe. Senator Yenaya Abaribe, a member of PDP and the Senate Minority Leader, made a statement during an interview session with Channels Television which made Joe Ibukwe laugh. Senator Abaribe, while speaking in the interview with Channels Television, said that the media only focus on IPOB whenever an attack happens in the Southeast. He said that one of the problems the media have is that they label every attack as IPOBs at work. Meanwhile, there are over 30 separatist organizations in the region. Abaribe said that there are different separatist agitation in the West, South, and South-South because some people are unable to manage Nigerians' diversity. Abaribe then urged the government to dialogue with the people, and to make sure that they meet them and get these people and restore calm and peace to various parts of the country. After Joe Ibukwe came across this news, he took a screenshot of the headline and posted it on his Facebook account. He then reacted to the news by simply saying, this might mean that Joe Ibukwe does not agree with what the senator said, though he didn't give further explanation on the subject matter. Well, what is your own view about this? Joe Ibukwe reacting to Senator Abaribe. I believe Senator Abaribe as a senator is a leader in that region. And not only a leader, if you look at the position that he's holding at the National Assembly, he's the minority leader. So he's in a capacity to talk to the people of that region and to get information, even to help the federal government on what can be done. Coming out to say they have over 30 for me is not a story, it's not a news. But how can we stop this crisis that is about happening in the Southeast? How can people be killed daily because some people are agitating for a separation? There's no point killing themselves, but if he as a leader knows that they have over 30 people, there are some others outside of IPOB, he should be able to call them to order, he should be able to talk to them as a leader. That is what leadership is all about, responsibility. Is he living up to responsibility? Is he doing what is expected of him as a leader, or just making comments here and there? If there is no peace in a place, there is no way there can be growth, there is no way there can be progress. They need peace in that region, no matter what they are looking for. Without peace, there is nothing. So as a leader, he needs to take that responsibility and lead the way and show them that, yes, this is how we can solve this problem. At the end of the day, there is no battle that I've ever seen that did not end up in dialogue. There is no crisis that I've ever seen that did not end up in people sitting down together to iron out their difference. If they can sit down together before this thing gets out of hand, discuss the issue, take it to the National Assembly, take it to the federal government, then I'm sure there will be a way forward. Well, what is your opinion about the comment of Abaribe that there are more than 30 separatist groups in that region, and the comment of Joe Ibukwe just laughing about the matter? Kindly make your opinion known as you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, good day, and God bless.